Hi there, everyone. My name is Samuel Simmons, and this is my Module 1 introductory video for EDL 854 School of Finance. Again, my name is Samuel. I'm born and raised in Kansas City, Kansas. Grew up there. I went to school there in the Kansas City, Kansas Public School District. And in my second life, I am a alternatively certified educator that returned to my community, to my home, where I have been working in education for the last 10 years. 7 years at a specific building, Coronado Middle School. And then for the past 2.5 years, I've been working as a curriculum instructional coach, which has allowed me to see things from a district perspective. It's a pleasure to be back home working in my community, be an advocate and a mentor for the young people of the Kansas City, Kansas Public School District. I am seeking the building principal endorsement um, licensure to help me with becoming a building principal. I received my master's degree from Pittsburgh State, again, through an alternative program through Kansas City, Kansas Public School District, a program called the Fellows Program. And I completed that master's degree back in 2011. And I decided to take to go the principal endorsement route, just again because I think that my time as a instructional coach, especially on the district level, helps support my decision to go this route. Because I've been again at the building level for several years, and now being able to have that perspective of seeing things from a district perspective has really opened up my eyes and allowed me to kind of add to my background and my experiences, which is the reason why I chose the endorsement route. What are my strengths and weaknesses in regards to school finance? Um, Very limited. With my time at Coronado Middle School, I did not have any type of background with school finance outside of athletics, in which I was a part of meetings with our athletic directors over the years, kind of looking at whether we are upgrading uniforms or necessary equipment. So that's my only background in terms of school finance on the school building level. Built around athletics. Now, at the district level, I have been in meetings and been in conversations on the district level about only around curriculum instruction and how the budget works and where the money goes and how it's spent and how things need to be spent, every year and how money is allocated per building throughout the entire district. So not a school-based level, but from a district level, I have a little bit of a limited experience with school finance in that perspective, excuse me. Any other information that I care to share? Again, I'm just looking forward to learning. Obviously, with the limited experience of school finance, I'm looking forward to learning as much as possible about school finance and the significance of how money needs to be allocated and the rights and the wrongs and all the laws that go into place with school finance. I'm looking forward to working with as many of my fellow Tiger colleagues as humanly possible and getting to build lasting relationships this quarter and beyond. Take care. Thank you for watching and good luck this semester.